guys, so today is a bit of a different video. I'm going to be giving you guys a bit of a tour of my office space, which includes my writing desk here, my filming area, which is over there, and then I also have a second office in the basement of my house. I'll explain why later on. But yeah, so I'm just doing a tour. It's a very casual tour. It's a very real tour because I cleaned up my desk a little bit for you guys just because I do like to keep my desk somewhat clean. However, I didn't exactly clean up everything. So what you're seeing is going to be very real and slightly messy. But hopefully you won't judge me for it. So do you know I work for myself full time? The majority of my income actually comes from my book cover design that I do. If you want to work with me to design your book cover or format your interior of your book, you can visit my website. It is linked down below. So yeah, I just wanted full disclosure in terms of that. And then I also make income off of course, my books, the book launch planner. There's something else that I'm forgetting. Oh, YouTube. Yeah. So I just wanted to be full disclosure in terms of what I make my money off of because that will kind of explain why I work in the space I work in. So yeah, let's jump into it. Alright, so right off the bat, this is my main working area. This is my writing desk. It's an L-shaped writing desk, as you can see. Yeah, I told you I was gonna be real. That's junk and that's junk, and this is somewhat organized. But yeah, so this is where I work. This is my chair, and then this is my desktop computer, which frankly doesn't work that great right now. And just because I wanted to point it out, look, that's me right there on a hike. But anywho, so this is my desktop. I mainly use it for when my laptop doesn't work. Really, that's all I use it for. And I also use it to play music and blah blah blah. I'm working on getting an upgrade. Actually, I'm going to be stealing my husband's computer, and his computer is behind me. I'm not going to show it to you. It's a mess. So, I'm eventually going to steal his computer. He's going to build himself a new computer for gaming. I'm going to take his old computer, and that way I can do all my Adobe Suite stuff on this computer. So as you can see, I have two mouses. That's because this keyboard is for this computer, this mouse is for this computer, this keyboard is for this computer, which just opens up and ta-da. And then because my laptop, it's a Mac, I think it's a MacBook Pro. Yeah, it's a MacBook Pro, and I love it dearly. But honest to God, I did not get enough space on it. So everything lives on external hard drives, and because there's not enough space on it, that's why it's been actually breaking a lot, and that's why I occasionally do stuff on here, even though this computer is extremely outdated. So yeah, I go back and forth between whichever one feels like working that day. So these are my external hard drives. This is my work one. This is my personal one. This over here is my drawing pen for my tablet, and my tablet is just right here. That's my drawing tablet. So I guess at that point, I picked out this desk because it has a ton of drawers. This one I keep all my writing utensils in. Literally, this is nothing but pens. This is just a literal junk drawer full of sticky notes and random things. This is all personal stuff like banking. This is all business stuff like stamps and my microphone that I'm not using for some reason. This is more random paperwork, like a lot of when I was doing my children's book, all that stuff ended up in this drawer. And then that last drawer is filing stuff like taxes, important paperwork, blah blah blah. That's a bunch of junk. It's a lot of my GoPro stuff. It's a lot of paper and supplies, a hole punch, more supplies, more paper. As you can see, it's just a hot mess. Again, my tablet, and then underneath my tablet is my old laptop. And I had to start using my old laptop when my MacBook broke. So, yeah, I just shift between technology. Then we have my corkboard, which is just a living monster. This is super cute. I got this at a vendor fair where I was a vendor, and there was another vendor that was selling these little felt succulents, and I wish I had bought more because I love it so much, and I had her business card and I lost it, and I want to buy more, but I can't find her for the life of me. Super important, these are my blue light blocking glasses. I just started wearing them because I started getting migraines when I was working. So I'd be like halfway through the day and then I'd have a migraine that wouldn't go away until I took a nap. So I wear these now and I haven't had any issues yet. They're from Zenny and they are awesome. This is just my printer, and then this is, I guess we'll do a quick little shout out. So as of right now, and I say as of right now just because of everything going on with COVID, as of right now, on October 2nd and 3rd in 2021, I will actually be a vendor at the Writing Community Convention. So I will leave tickets down in the description, so if you want to go ahead and buy tickets, you can. But this is just one of the swag items they sent me. So hopefully all is well by then and we can actually have this convention. And then this is all just a bunch of stuff. So this is literally just nothing but receipts. You know, taxes, fun stuff. This is my wedding album. I don't know why I put it there, but it ended up there. These are hiking books that I have. This is a box full of stickers, a bunch of planners. This is my copies that I own of the book launch planner. The funny thing is, so this copy right here is the copy that I used for Mr. Mullen's big move, and it was the one and only, or so far, one and only defective copy that I got. So I kept it for myself, and then this is what I call the photo shoot copy, where it looks pretty, it's perfect, and I only write in it when I want to use photos for Instagram. So those are mine. And then I just have a ton of notebooks, literally so much notebooks, so much paper. Like when I print out online workbooks, this is where they end up, just in this stack of stuff. More notebooks, more stuff. For shipping, that's a little scale so I can weigh stuff and figure out the cost of shipping. Photos, photos, photos. This is my graduation cap from when I was in high school. And then just other random stuff. A lot of the stuff you'll see, this is all from I did a photography trip to Costa Rica, so I have a lot of souvenirs that are all from Costa Rica, just to really make this space all the more inviting. And then Bethany gave this to me. I feel like she gave it to me for a reason. I can't remember, but she gave this little quote that was framed, and I think it's adorable, so it stays there. And I have my Gryffindor scarf that's just hanging here. This is literally just even more like colored pencils. Like if you thought the amount I had in that drawer wasn't enough, the rest are here. This is just a wall of stuff. I used to run cross country, so these are all my medals from when I did 5Ks. Most of them were 5Ks I did on my own. Some of them are like triathlon. Some of them are triathlons. We've got like half marathons, color runs. Oh no, this is my half marathon. 10Ks, all these fun sort of stuff that I just like to show off and hang, even though my body no longer likes me to run. And then we have my filming area over here. This is just one of my filming lights. I actually have two of them. This is the area that you guys are used to seeing with my books hanging on the wall, my wolf mandala, then this random bookshelf. That is just a catch-all area where I have stock of some of my books, ink cartridges that I'm trying to figure out how to recycle, and other various items. And then we also have, these are actually my characters from She's Not Here. So this is Randy Ash and Willow Ash. They're the main characters of She's Not Here. So just gonna put that back. We've got some stickers. These are, again, stickers that I use for photo shoots when I do photos for the book launch planner. So some of them are partly used, some of them aren't. But I just always have a set of stickers up here. The first initial draft of the book launch planner More of my books. Again, this is just like the catch-all area for when I do photo shoots. And then fun stuff, a book I ordered, which is by my friend Jessie Elliott. And then this is a book that was sent to me by one of my cover design clients. This is the cover that I designed for her. So she sent the book over to me and she even signed it. This normally goes in my bedroom next to my bookshelf, but construction, so it's in here. And same with my wedding dress. That's normally in my closet, but again, construction. In case you're wondering, this is how the construction is going at this point. Yay. Okay, so that's my main area that I work in most of the time, where I just sit in my desk chair and do all the work. But usually at least once a day, I head into the basement to fulfill any orders that have come in for the book launch planner. So I'll give you a quick tour of that now. Welcome to the basement, also known as my second office. It's a work in progress, so just bear with me. Do know, eventually all the walls will be painted. That's a tablecloth to make it less red in here because that's how much I hate the red. But once we finish construction on the upstairs, which is the bedroom that you guys saw, then I will paint this area to make it prettier. But first and foremost, this is my ginormous printer. So this is what I use to print the stickers for the book launch planner. Here's some stickers that need to be printed out. These are the little calendar stickers that go on your planner so you can start using it any time of year. This is so you can add the tabs on, and yeah. So it's printed here. It comes out very, very like nice quality. I also use that printer to print the fun little prints that I used for the Mr. Moon book. So these are just cute little graphics that I sent out to anyone who had pre-ordered the book or ordered it within the first week. So I guess we'll just work our way like up and then down. So up there, that's just storage of extra like shipping supplies that I have. This in here is extra sticker paper, extra paper, photo paper. These are what I use to ship out when people just order stickers. Like, for example, if someone just wanted to order some word count stickers, I would not only wrap it up nicely, I wrap it in this plasticky stuff. So this is just a plastic sleeve. I put it in that first, and then I put it in here so it doesn't bend. So it's nice and like thick and it won't damage the stickers. Then down here we have some of the old 10K writing challenge pins. So yeah, those are the old pins, and then I realized very quickly it's expensive to ship pins to people, so now I don't do anything with them. And then I also have, these are my I support indie authors buttons. So I was going to give these out at BookCon this year. Obviously BookCon didn't happen. So I'm going to eventually do like a signed book sale on my store online, and then I'll probably give that to anyone who orders. And then we just have stuff. This is what I throw in with orders for the book launch planner to just be like, yay, thank you for ordering. Down there is just supplies, more shipping supplies. This is my silhouette. This is what I use to print out the stickers. So I'll take that sheet, I'll plop it on here and then insert it in here, and this right here is a blade and it cuts it out perfectly. So then we have the actual sticker sheet. Now this I normally use for scrapbooking, so what it's sitting on right now is actually all my scrapbooking supplies, as you can see from the excessive amount of washi tape. But for now, it's just down here until I figure out how I actually want this area to look. This is more shipping supplies. This is the bubble mailers that I use to mail out the planners. And then this is a flat mailer that I use to mail out my children's books, because I went to go ahead and ship Mr. Moon's Big Move and realized that it doesn't fit in there. Or if it did, it was like really, really tight. It didn't quite fit. So I ended up ordering those flat mailers last minute. This is my label printing machine. So I use Shopify for the book launch planner, and then I just plug this into my computer and it prints out perfect labels. These are stickers that I use just to brand everything when I'm shipping out stuff for the book launch planner. This is my little storage tower on top. This is the stamp that I used to make Mr. Moon sign his own book. These are bookmarks that I give out to anyone who orders a book, just fun little reminders to write a review on Amazon. And then this is just even more bookmarks. And then in here, this is Mr. Moon stuff. So we have the cute little print. I have these cute little signed book plates so I could sign them and then mail them out to people. And then cute little Mr. Moon stickers, because isn't he adorable? The next drawer is the word count sticker drawer. So we have the two different types. We have the book stack one with the little cup of coffee sitting on the top. And then just the plain open book one where it's just like your regular word count sticker. And then the last drawer is, we have, these are the calendar stickers. And these come with every order of the book launch planner. So if you order a planner, you get one of these for free. And then I also have social media stickers. So it's like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Goodreads, and email. And apparently this is the last one, so I have to print more soon. And then, of course, that's my pile of book launch planners that are ready to ship out. But that is not my entire inventory. That's even more. There's some more under there, and there's also some under there. You can see the box peeking out as well. This is my little tissue paper, because when I do my orders for the book launch planner, I wrap them all in tissue paper and seal it with one of these cute stickers. I've got my business cards, which are like brand new, and I'm kind of super proud of them, because I like having my little bio on the back with the Stone Ridge Books logo on them. And then this is just my wall. As you can see, we're not done down here. We've got missing ceiling tiles. Occasionally, my cat Moon will be found right up in there just staring at me, being a little creep. These are my photos that I took on my vacation to Costa Rica. My personal favorite is this toucan right here. I took it on the camera I'm actually filming on right now. And then up here, this is just all my stock of books. So up there, that's my hardcover books. This shelf is I Am Mercy. This shelf is Essence. Then we have the marketing books. Mr. Moon, that's my cash box for when I do actual in-person book signings. And I need to get copies of She's Not Here in stock, because right now I'm currently out of stock except for the copies that are upstairs. For those of you who are wondering why I have a huge stock of my own books in my house, these are mostly leftovers from past book signings, because I used to do book signings once a month, and that was actually a huge chunk of my income. However, because of, you know, the world's status right now, these book signings, all these vendor fairs that I had signed up for the entire year of 2020, I literally had every month booked out. They all got canceled. They are all officially canceled. Some of them were still like holding tight, and then like last week finally some of the ones that were scheduled for like October finally got canceled, which was a relief to me because they were in New York and I did not want to go there. All my events are canceled. Now I just have stock of books sitting in my basement. But pretty soon I'm going to do some sort of fun online book signing to hopefully get rid of some of the stock. I know not all of it's going to get like booted out, because I literally probably have about 200 copies, at least 200 copies of all of my books. So, yeah. But who knows? Maybe we'll do something fun. If you want something fun, let me know. What I'll probably do is I'll probably like include fun freebie items. So if there was anything in this video you saw, like the pin or the stickers, if you want to see any freebie items like that, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to include it for the like digital book signing. Otherwise, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm going to be definitely making over this basement area. I'm going to be painting it, hopefully decorating it a little bit more. And maybe once I do that, I'll do another tour. So, who knows? Thank you all for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below.